Welcome to Creative Suit Tutorials YouTube channel. Today I will answer a common question that many CapCut users have. Are the songs available on CapCut copyright free? CapCut is a popular video editing app that allows you to create amazing videos with ease. One of the features that makes CapCut stand out is its comprehensive music library, where you can find thousands of songs and sound effects to add to your videos. But before you use any of these songs, you might wonder if they are legal to use. After all, you don't want to get into trouble for violating any copyright laws. The good news is that most of the songs that you can find in the CapCut music library are copyright free. This means that you can use them for your personal or commercial projects without any restrictions or limitations. However, there are some exceptions that you need to be aware of. For example, some songs may have specific terms and conditions that require you to give credit to the original artist or source. You can check these details by tapping on the song and reading the description. Another thing to keep in mind is that CapCut also allows you to upload your own music tracks from your device or from other sources. This is where you need to be extra careful, because not all music tracks are free to use. If you want to use a song that is not from the CapCut music library, you need to make sure that it is either in the public domain or that you have obtained the proper license or permission from the owner. Otherwise, you may face legal consequences for infringing on someone else's rights. To avoid any problems, it is always best to use only music tracks that are clearly labeled as royalty-free, no attribution required, or Creative Commons. You can find many websites and platforms that offer such music tracks for free or for a small fee. So, to sum up, the songs available on CapCut are mostly copyright-free, but you need to check the details and terms of each song before using it. And if you want to use your own music tracks, make sure that they are also legal to use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.